Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I know you are fine at home, so stay at home and watch these videos, whatever the teachers are sending to you, because now we are preparing for our half yearly exam, which is going to held very soon in the month of October. So, I, Tapas sir, today going to teach grammar way for class 3 students. Lesson number 9, today's lesson. It is very important lesson for you, for your half yearly exam point of view. So, please watch this video and listen it minutely, attentively, and practice the exercise of this lesson at home again and again, because you are getting enough time now. So whatever time is left for your exam, use it properly to get a good result. So let's start the lesson, children. Lesson number 9, was, where. These are helping verb, was and where. Now see, was and where are the helping verbs used in the past form of a sentence. Was and where are the helping verbs used in the past form of a sentence. Was and where we use when the sentence is in past tense. Past tense means the work has already been done or finished from before. So in that case, if the sentence shows that if the work is over from before, that case we use was and where. And where we use was and where we use where, let's see. Wasim was in the army till last year. The dog was thirsty. She was unhappy yesterday. It was hungry. I was amazed at the response. He was in USA last month. You can see, children, in all these 6 sentences, it shows that work has been already finished. It was finished from beforehand, yesterday, last week, last year, or last month. This shows that it is the sentence is not in the present state. It is already been over. So in that case we have to use was. And one more thing, children, was is used generally when the subject is singular. Wasim, dog. She, it, I, he, all these are singular subjects. As you know, she, it, I, he, singular pronoun. She, it, I, he, singular pronouns. So in that case, when the pronoun is singular, we have to use was in the sentence when it is in the past form. When the subject is Wasim and dog, these are also singular nouns. These are all singular nouns. So Wasim and dog are singular noun. In that case also we have to use was, because the sentence is in the past form. So when the sentence in the past form, how we will know? Sentence in the past form, you can see they worked last year, the yesterday, then last month. This shows that it is happened in the past, not at the present. So when the thing happened in the past, we have to use was in the sentence. Wasim, dog, I, it, she, was, he are all singular nouns. and pronouns. So as I told you now, Wasim, dog, singular noun. I, it, she and he, singular pronouns. So was verb is used after them. So when the subject is singular, whether it is noun or pronoun, it doesn't matter. There we have to use was as the helping verb. Arnab and I were excited about the news. Priya and Megha were great friends. We were going to park yesterday. You were absent last week. They were talking in the class. You can see here all the sentences are in the past form. How? You can see, as I told you, excited, it is in past verb. Then yesterday, last week. So in the class, not now, in the class we are talking about. So these sentences says that these are all the sentences in the past form, means in past tense. So in that case we have to use where, because as I told you, when the subject is plural form, when the subject is Arnab and I, Priya and Megha, we, you and they are all plural nouns and pronouns. Arnab, Priya and Megha are nouns. I, we, you, they are all plural pronouns. So when the subject is plural form, we have to use where is as the helping verb. So now comes the exercise part of this lesson. Bit number A, fill in the blanks with was and where. As I have told you, use there was where the subject is singular, use where the subject is plural. We were in Goa in June last year. We is plural pronoun, so we have to use where. I was unwell yesterday. I is also singular pronoun, we have to use was. You were not at home when I called. You is plural pronoun, that's why we have to use where. Our team was delighted when our project won the first prize. Our team is singular subject. Team is singular noun, that is why we have to use was. The snacks at the party were very tasty. You can see snacks s, that means plural noun. Plural noun always have where as the helping verb. It is about bit number A, fill in the blanks with was and where. Bit number B, complete the sentence with there was or there were. Here we have to use there was or there were when the sentence is in singular form, or the noun here in the sentence will be in singular. That time we have to use there was. If it is plural, there were. There was someone. You can see someone represents singular. So that's why there was someone at the door just a while ago. Just a while ago. So someone is singular, that's why there was. There were about 20 guests at our house last week. Guest, G-U-E-S-T-S, plural. The plural noun we have to use where. So there were about 20 guests at our house last week. Third one, there was a clown at Sandhya's birthday party. A clown, you can see, a clown represents singular noun. That's why there was a clown at Sandhya's birthday party. Fourth one, there were rare paintings on display at the National Museum. Paintings is in plural form. So there were lot of paintings in the National Museum. That's why there were. Fifth one, there was a comedy show on TV last night. You can see a comedy show. it is also a singular. That so in the so is not plural, it is one only. A comedy show. So is in singular form. That's why there was a comedy show on TV last night. You can see when the noun is in singular form, that there we have to use there was. When it will be in plural form, we have to use there were. Bit number B. So children, this lesson is over now. How to use was and where. Was, as I told you, when the subject is singular, you have to use was. When the subject is plural, we have to use where, whether it is noun or pronoun. In both the case, the subject should be singular, we have to use was. Plural, we have to use where. So it is also very important because you should know where to use was and where. Without this helping verb, the sentence cannot be correct. So please watch this video and please listen what I am saying in this video and what I have told about the exercise part of this video, because it is very important. You should know the use of these helping verbs. To make the sentence correct, or you to write a correct sentence, you have to use proper helping verb in the sentences. And this video will surely help you to know. But my request is that children, you should watch it repeatedly, not once. So think about your exam, which is in the month of October, and it is very important that you are getting enough time. You have got enough time last 2-3 months. Now also you are getting time, so use it properly to improve your standard, to prepare well for the exam. Till we meet again children, thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe, obey your parents, respect to their feelings. Bye bye. Have a nice day.